Well, good morning everybody. How y'all doing? Pretty good here, and welcome to the channel. Today is an exciting day. We have a new mod for the Tacoma. This is something that I saw on sale, and it's supposed to be plug and play. So I thought we'd get it, try it out. I'm going to do an unboxing today, and then we'll have a little bit of an install. So let's get to it. Let's check it out. First of all, let me tell you, it's rather heavy. I was surprised when I got it, but all right, let's open this thing up. First of all, let me whip out a knife here. There we go. I'm going to try not to cut myself today. Hopefully not. Let's start. Let's go over here on this end. All right, here we go. By the way, this is from a company called Diode Dynamics. I don't know if that'll give you a hint or not, but that's who it's from. So let's see. Got some packaging. Got some more packaging. Got a lot of packaging. Want to make sure there's nothing in here, you know. A little more packaging and more packaging. My gosh. Okay, a little more packaging. And we have a box. This box feels like it's empty. Let's go ahead and open this up. See what we've got in this box. Put it up here so you can actually see it. Feels like an empty box to me. I don't know. Alright, it is indeed. It is a packing box. I don't know. It's an empty box. Alright. Let's move on. More packaging. Good God, man. And a little more packaging. I think we're done with the packaging. Here we have another box. Could it be? It feels indeed like another packing box. You know, it's quite interesting the way they do this. Let's open this up, see what it is. It is indeed another packing box. Alright, we got to be getting close. Here we go. Oh yeah. Check this out. Let's set this up here so you guys can see it. There is some more stuff in here. Let's get the rest of it out before we go over that. And I think another packing box, but we have to check, right? I'd hate to throw it away and have it be something that I actually need. And again, it is an empty box. All right, we got more stuff. Okay. All right, we have a wiring bundle. That might give you a little hint. A wiring bundle. What they call it? They call it an off-road single heavy-duty harness. Quantity of 1. All right. We have some paperwork. Cool, paperwork. Nobody cares about paperwork. And then another box. Oh, this feels heavy though. Alright, as you can see here, maybe, we are empty. There is nothing else in that box. Alright, let's see first of all what's in this. I believe it says brackets on it. Let's go ahead and open this box. It is rather heavy. I think a lot of the weight came from this box. And this is the reason I bought this kit to begin with. I'll say that right off the bat. And more packing. Here we go. Check this out. This is the bracket to hold that on. You use existing bolts on the truck, and look at this. This is pretty substantial. There's 2 brackets. They're identical. We have this one and we have this one for each side, and then it does come with a couple of screws, bolts if you will. So these are hex head bolts, I believe. And then an installation guide. There we have the installation guide as to how you're supposed to put this on. Awesome. Let's put the other paperwork with it and set this aside. We'll set the cabling here, or the harness here aside. And let's take a look and see what's in this box. Let me put this other one up here so I can elevate it. I think I'll close this knife up before I damage myself. There we go. Get that out of the way. Now, let's go ahead and set this up here so you guys can see it. It is a light bar. You guys can see right here. It is, they call it a Stage Series Rally Qualified LED lighting. High intensity, focused output, slim design. What else can I tell you about it? It features an advanced total internal reflection optic, high intensity 6000K white lumens LED, slim design for easy mounting. Let's take a look at it, see what it actually looks like. To do that, we'll get rid of that box again. And I'll hold it up so you can see. I know you can't see anything at the moment. But, alright, there's some stuff in here. We have a box with some bracketry in it, I guess. And then we have, wow. This is going to be cool. I'm almost afraid to take it out of here. Unfortunately, it's wrapped in here quite well. It does have a plug-in for the harness on the one end. And then, let's see, some more screws and stuff. And another harness, I would imagine, to a wire for power or something until I read the install. I'm not sure, but this will give you at least an idea of the size of it. Again, I'm not going to take it out of the packaging. Here, I'll give you a little look. Give you a little look-see. Let's go from this side. There, that'll give you a little idea of what it looks like. Hopefully you guys can see that. Of course, it's the same all the way across, but this is what it's going to look like, and this will fit actually on the Tacoma behind. Make sure I get this back in here properly. Well, I think we got to go that way. There. It will actually fit behind the grill, the lower part of the grill on the Tacoma. That is the plan. So that's what we have. We're going to do an install. I'll do an install video on this. Like I say, it's supposed to be plug and play. I'll be interested to see how that turns out. Should be okay. And the one other thing I wanted to look at real quick, there's supposed to be a switch inside here somewhere. There we go. And this is good, I think. Yeah. Let me bring you a little bit closer and I'll show you what the switch looks like. This is what the switch looks like. And hopefully we'll focus up on that. So it is a little round switch that you can fit in the dash somewhere. I'm guessing that means drilling some kind of a hole somewhere, which I'm okay with. I would rather it's this kind of a switch than one of the switches that goes inside of the Tacoma blanks, if you will, because frankly, I'm out of room on the blanks. So this is what it looks like. Should be awesome. I can't wait to do the install. Again, it's supposed to be plug and play, so we'll find out. That will certainly make things easy, if indeed it is. And that's it. So I just wanted to get on here, do a quick little unboxing for you guys. We do finally, a lot of people have asked about when I'm going to install an LED light bar in the Tacoma. This is it. I can't wait to do it again. I got it from Diode Dynamics. They were running a 20% off sale over July 4th. So that's why I picked it up. Anyway, appreciate you guys watching. Just wanted to do this for you real quick, let you see what's coming up. I don't know if it'll be next or not. We got a couple of other things coming up on the Tacoma too, but this will be in the near future. As usual, appreciate you guys watching. If you have anything from Diode Dynamics, leave a comment down below. Let me know how your install was and what kind of service you've gotten out of it since you installed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you next time on the web. Have a great day. Bye.